my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I am so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language, specifically ASL signs, in order to worship our Lord and Savior. Today we're going to start learning a new song. We're going to learn how to sign "O Come All Ye Faithful." So today we're going to learn verse 1 and verse 1 and verse 2 along with the chorus, and then tomorrow we'll learn the bridge and verse 3, and then we'll put it all together. Okay, so let's get started right away. But remember, I am left-handed, so that means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, you'll find a place to print out the lyrics or purchase a song. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel, or you can also check out the website signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials are there as well, and it's free. Okay, so "O come all ye faithful," that's how it starts. So you can do O if you want, but it's not a requirement, and that's just making an O with your fingers. Come, you take your dominant hand with your index finger out, and it's away from your body, you bring it into your body. Okay, O come. So "O come all ye faithful." So the minimum that you need to sign for this line is come, and then faithful, you're making an F here and you're bringing it to another F. Okay, so your dominant hand goes from your forehead down to your other one. Both are Fs, and then some people for faithful, they kind of do an extra bump. So faithful, faithful. Okay, so that's the minimum, but if you want to sign every word, "O come," and then "all you faithful." Okay, "O come all you faithful," joyful. Okay, so this, you're taking your two hands, fingers together, joyful. Okay, happy, joyful. And then for triumphant, we're going to use the word proud. So for proud, you kind of have a thumbs up on the side, and you kind of bring it up, okay, from your belly to your rib cage. Okay. Proud, proud. Okay, joyful and triumphant. "O come ye," so "O come ye," or just "O come ye to Bethlehem." So the sign for Bethlehem is you're going to make a letter B like this. Going to kind of shake it back and forth and then tap it with your other hand, making a B as well. Okay, so Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Okay, so that line, "O come ye to Bethlehem." Come and behold him. So come, and then behold him, it's to see. Okay, so you're doing the sight line, to see him, pointing to God in heaven, born the King of Angels. So for born, you're going to take your non-dominant hand here, and then you're going to take your dominant hand and go underneath. Born. Okay, so occasionally you will see someone who has a fist there, kind of signifying the baby's head. Either is fine. Okay, born the King. So for King, you're making a K, and you're going to go from your non-dominant shoulder down to your dominant hip. Okay, King. So born the King, and then of angels. So for angels, you show the wings. Okay, angels. And then the chorus, "O come, let us adore him." So "O come," and then "let." So that's two hands coming out from your body. "Let us." Okay, that's the letter U from your dominant shoulder to your non-dominant shoulder. And then "adore." Okay, so there's a number of different ways to sign "adore," but what I thought was most fitting is you hold your chest here like, like love, and then like this, okay? Adore. Adore. That's how we're going to sign it for this song, okay? "O come, let us adore him," pointing to God in heaven. "O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him." And then "Christ the Lord." Christ. Okay, so now you're making a C, just like when you did King, only it's a C. Christ, and then Lord is the same way, but with an L. Okay? There you go. That's the first verse in the chorus. Let's try it from the top. Okay? O come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye, to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Okay? Now moving on to verse 2. Okay. Sing choirs of angels. So singing, we've done that lots in other songs. You have your non-dominant hand out like this. With your dominant hand, you're showing the melody of a song. Okay? So sing. And then the sign for choirs is singing. So once again, it's just, you're gonna sing just a little longer. And then choirs, take your hand like this and move them out. Okay? Choirs. And then we already know angels, right? We're showing those wings. Sing choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. So sing, once again. And then exaltation is to honor God. Okay? So it's like that. You have two fingers, your second finger and your third finger, and you're going to honor God. Okay? Sing in exaltation. And then sing, all ye citizens. So for citizens, you have a few options. I think I'm going to do people. Okay, that's the simplest way, and you're just showing a body form. I've also seen people have C's and do that, but I'm just going to keep it simple and just do people. Okay, because what we're essentially doing is sing all, and you don't have to include all if you don't want, but sing all people of heaven above. Okay, sing all you citizens of heaven. So you roll your hands. Heaven. It's like the ascension and then heaven. And then we don't need to sign above because heaven is above. Okay, so let's try that line again. Sing all you citizens of heaven above. Glory to God. So glory, you're going to take your dominant hand, the middle finger, and touching your non-dominant hand, and then coming out, you're just kind of shaking your hand. Glory. Glory to God. That's a B down the middle of your face. Glory to God. Glory in the highest. So glory, and in the highest, you're making an H, and you go high. Sometimes when I'm signing music, I make two H's and go high, but that's not a requirement. You can easily just do it with your dominant hand, okay? In the high. Glory in the highest. And then once again, back to the chorus. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Okay. I know we're doing a lot in these tutorials during the month of December. Why don't you, actually it'd be really helpful for me, make a comment below if you like longer tutorials that have more stuff in it, or you prefer we go back to the method where we had less stuff in each tutorial. It'd be great for me to know. Okay, so let's try it from the top. Okay, oh come all ye faithful, from the top. Oh come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. And the chorus, oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Okay, then moving on to verse number 2. Sing choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation, sing, all citizens of heaven above. Glory to God. Glory in the highest. And then back to that chorus. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. And that is everything. And I'm happy to report tomorrow we have less to learn than today. And by the end of tomorrow, you'll have everything you need for the song. So practice as many times as you need to. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Just keep at it. Remember, God cares far more about your heart than your hands. I love you guys. I hope you're doing well. And I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.